Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Really quick, just want to show you what we're having for dinner tonight since so many people liked our taco salad video. I'm going to show you this. So we bought this. I did not make it, but these are some of the best tacos ever. If you guys have the opportunity to get Birria Tacos, B-I-R-R-I-A, they are absolutely delicious and absolutely addicting. So I have 3 tacos and you get some consomme. I've added some cilantro and onions to it. Usually it comes with that, but the tacos have cilantro and onions on it. So they are double tortillaed, and these are beef. It's kind of like a pot roast meat, and these are so good. The tortillas are dipped in like a red enchilada sauce and then fried, the outside one. And then the inside one has some cheese added to it. And then the goodness put inside of that. And then what you do, I will demonstrate. Let's get one out of here. I'm not going to show you how I eat it, but I'll show you what you do with this. So you take the entire taco just like this, and you dip it inside of the consomme like this, and then you eat all of that delicious goodness. Look at that, you guys. Just wanted to show you. This is so good. So I have never made these, but next year, 2022, that is a goal, and of course, I will put a video out on it. So stay tuned for lots more videos, you guys, and thanks for watching. So the word of the day, like all of my videos, Birria Tacos. Remember, it's B-I-R-R-I-A tacos. If you've ever had them, let me know. The authentic tacos are made with goat, which is chivo in Spanish. And I've never had them with goat, but I can imagine that they're really good. So if you've ever had these, let me know. If you, what do you think? So double wrapped. These are so good. So I am going to get to eating dinner, you guys. Let me know what you think. And stay tuned for more videos. See you later. Bye.